Image Assist is a toolset that enables you to use Dell imaging services to quickly create and maintain a ready-to-deploy Microsoft Windows image. In this video, we will demonstrate how to download and set up Image Assist. Before you begin, ensure that your system is running the Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. Note that it is recommended that you use a virtual machine to create your image. For more information about using Image Assist on a virtual machine, see the Image Assist Dynamic for Multiple Platforms User's Guide, or see the Dell-image-assist virtualization tutorials. Before you begin, ensure that you take a snapshot or checkpoint of the virtual machine. To begin, sign in to TechDirect at techdirect.dell.com. If you haven't registered with TechDirect, click Register at Dell.com on the TechDirect homepage and complete the registration. After signing in on the TechDirect dashboard, go to Build and Deploy and then click Dell Image Assist. In the Download Dell Image Assist card, click Download. The download of the Image Assist installer package is initiated. You can also read about how Image Assist works and the best practices to help you get started. To do so, in the Additional Resources and Guides card, click View. To install Image Assist, go to the folder where the installer package is saved, right-click the Image Assist installer package, and then click Extract All. Select a folder to extract the installer files and click Extract. Then, go to the folder where you extracted the files and double-click the Image Assist exe file. Click Yes. Read and accept the terms and conditions and then click Next. Depending on your requirement, you can either use Image Assist Dynamic or Image Assist Static to create an image. Image Assist Dynamic enables you to create and capture a custom, cross-platform, ready-to-deploy Microsoft Windows image. Image Assist Static enables you to create and capture a Microsoft Windows image for a single platform. You must create multiple images to support multiple system types. It is recommended that you use Image Assist Dynamic to create your image. Select Image Assist Dynamic or Image Assist Static and click Next. Note that Image Assist Static does not sysprep the Windows image, update or install drivers, or modify settings within the captured static image. After the setup is complete, the Welcome to Image Assist page is displayed, and you can now start using Image Assist to capture the custom image. For more information about Dell Image Assist, go to dell.com/Image Assist.